Hi everyone, and welcome back to Adventures. So today our beautiful cruise ship, the Discovery Princess, is docked in Juneau, Alaska. And since I have a couple hours off this morning, I thought it would be fun to take the tram ride to the top of the mountain. It cost about $30 per adult. Children are a little less, and fortunately I got a nice discount since I am a crew member. Okay, now I'm having second thoughts. Maybe I don't want to do this. Okay. The wait was only about 30 minutes. Not too bad.
Sit down, but then it's like, what are you gonna look at? I guess I could do this. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Sit down on these.
Doing go.
We are on our way up to the Shaw Hill. Shaw is a Lincoln word for the mountain house. We are ascending 1,800 feet above sea level on the only aerial tramway here in southeast Alaska. Gold Belt Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Belt Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation. We were built on August 10th, 1996.
Yeah, we've been, I think so.
We will be passing through an Alaska temperate rainforest, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice are the western hemlock, the Sitka spruce, and red oak. The Sitka spruce gets its name from a Tlingit island called Ishiataka. It has since been changed to barren
there.
It has small, sharp pines, but it is the largest spruce in the world. So
There's a basketball court for
it's
this?
the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar to pine trees with the droopy tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utility and storage. As we venture down to the sky bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram Gift. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery of genuine artifacts, so go on in and admire the quality work. Or at times visit with a local carver who does much of his work right there in the gallery. And while at Gold Belt Tram Gift, you can pick up your souvenirs or a variety
Right in that big
of mementos. The Timberline Bar and Grill overlooks a beautiful view of the Gastineau Channel and the Inside Passage. You can enjoy tasty Alaska seafood featuring halibut and crab, as well as a large variety of beverages.
Olha, gente, subindo.
Arriba, the complimentary food called Food Daily. It's an award-winning documentary based on the Tlingit culture here in southeast Alaska, and it features many local natives. It plays at a top and the bottom of the hour. It runs about 18 minutes. We have a tram car running every 5 to 10 minutes, so if you end up missing one, don't worry. We will be unloading onto the Sky Bridge. The Sky Bridge has windows all the way around. For you, is that you please don't put any of your valuable items outside of those windows, because if they drop, they're gone.
Oh, that's cool.
Not rocking though, bro.
My wife, she didn't want to go on Alaska.
Yep.
We will be exiting outside these two doors in front of me. They will slide open. Please.
As you walk outside, there's an observation point. Pretty high up. Also, sometimes they have men that are carving totem poles, so you can watch closely, but not today. Here's a trail you can take. Of course, they're giving you a warning already. It gets pretty muddy. It looks pretty dry right now, but it's a lovely trail. Goes around the side of the mountain. It's an enchanted forest. And I made it to the top. Looks like someone left their walking stick here. Look at this. And kind of creepy.
Nope. It just says travel beyond the sun.
And living here on top of the mountain is the eagle, Lady Baltimore. Now, she was injured in an accident and is now blind in one eye, but very well taken care of here in her new home. She is about as close as most people will ever get to a real live eagle. And then there's this guy. And then I had to check out the restaurant, of course. Window seat, please. I have to check out that view. Downstairs, there's also a very nice gift shop. If you're ever here, check it out. But for me, I needed to head back to the ship.
Thank you.
There are two distinct communities of Tlingit people that occupy this sector of southeast Alaska. The Aquan, or the smaller people, and Takuquan, or Geese Flood upriver people. Basically, the Ak people are from this side of the bridge, in the village site called Flounder at the base of the creek, and the Taku people are from the other side called Where the Sun Rays Touch First, and Spirit Helper. Historical sources suggest.
And here we go. I have just enough time to pick up a treat.
Handmade fruits, $12.50 a pound, sugar-free candy.
Hi. How are you? Good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
That's a beauty.
Beautiful.
Chocolate, or that's just our peanut.
Peanut butter? Yes, please. Okay, time for one more stop.
Even by the leg and a running bow line. While he was sleeping. Way, hey, and up, she rises, way, hey, and up, she rises, way, hey, and up, she rises, early in the morning. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Home sweet home. And here we are. So here's a perspective of how high we were. And then right over here, we have a hang glider. Well, that's it for our time together in Juneau today. For more adventures, make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, ciao for now.